Hi, this is Boastrup. I'm just playing around here with TAL-U-NO-LX. I just got this. Is an amazing synthesizer, a creation of a very well-known synthesizer from the 80s. So TAL is the Togu Audio Line. And I have loaded up here. I also just downloaded and purchased two sound banks for it from LUFTRUM, the Juno Elixir and the LUFTRUM 12 version 1.4. They're on sale at the moment. So I loaded an arpeggio, the pad of sweetness. I have a MIDI sequence here, just some chords that I'm sending to the Juno. So let's listen here to how it sounds. So you can hear that nice arpeggio there. So I thought, okay, I got the TAL DUB X as well, which is a delay. So I put that actually on my master bus and just the default patch here, not dialed anything, just slapped it on there. So let's hear what it sounds like with the delay. Very nice, I think. So earlier today too, I got a demo of a amp simulation software from KUASSA. This one, the Clarent, they have multiple amp simulations available, but I just downloaded the Clarent as a demo right now. And I like this a lot. I just thought I was going to check it out. I was going to check it out with guitar, of course. But then I thought, nah, let me just try to slap it on a synthesizer here and see what I get out of that. And I do like it for various reasons. I do like they have added the bias knob here where you can dial and set the bias of the tubes so you can actually misalign your amp if that's what you want to do. So if you dial down the bias, that you get a little thinner sounding sound because you're not using the full potential of the tubes, or you can basically crank it up there. It's not it's subtle, but you can make a change, and I think it's a very nice addition, and it's just one of those buttons that I like that a developer takes the idea and adds to it because we can. Why not? So here's the thing. I added it on a aux track, so I send a bus. I set up a bus. I'm sending the signal from the Juno to this amp. So let's just take bypass off and let's start adding it into to the sound here, into the mix. Let's get the I like that a lot. It's almost like you actually kind of have a guitar playing with on the arpeggios. It really thickens up the sound and makes it more interesting to me. So this is definitely something that I will play around with and use on stuff that I'm working on to add that little thing in, add that little thing, make it sound a little bit different. I always like to, when you listen to a sound, that there's something going on in your mix. You can't quite figure out what it is and how it was made. And I think this is one of the ways that we can add to our mixes and make them really cool and interesting. I haven't tried the Clarent, the KUASSA with the guitar yet. I just like it here. I've just got sidetracked here. I love it. I love the TAL, the LX. Love their delay, and definitely the KUASSA Clarent here. What does it sound like?